Hello and welcome, John Kroner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Thursday, November the 8th, 2018. And I just want to remind you also, if you want to follow me, you can do that at my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like my Facebook page, follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. If you get anything out of this video today, I'd ask you to go ahead and hit this thumbs up. Would really appreciate that. Maybe drop in a comment, maybe even share it with some friends and like-minded people. That would be awesome. And don't forget you can subscribe to the video so you never miss one. And I want to make you aware of a discount code just in case you see anything with this software that you would like. You can purchase a subscription for it by the month or by the year. You can get our standard plan or our premium plan. Here's the link to get into it. That'll be in the YouTube comments. And if you use Bullseye 15, it is case sensitive. I can save you 15% on your first month or your first year of trade ideas. Now, let's go ahead and take a look and see what we did today. First, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the market. So we're going to start with the Dow. And you can see it's technically a green candle, even though it is down a little bit from yesterday's close. But considering how far we've gone, it's basically just a day of rest and, looking pretty good. A little bit of choppiness throughout the day on that. And you can see here just a little bit below average volume on the diamonds. The Qs, pulled back a little bit, but once again, we've come from all the way down here up to here, so it's pretty much just a day of rest. Once again, the chop throughout the day here. Volume a little bit below average. The spiders, once again, a green candle because of the gap down, but it is down from yesterday's close. A little bit more consistent through the day, not near as much chop, so a day of rest there as well. The IWM, a little more chop here, but still closed down just a little bit from yesterday. Pretty much just a day of rest, so no big problem there. We'll go ahead and take a quick look at Holly. Holly Grail only had 3 trades today, lost 35 cents. Risk on, though, she made 85 cents. And if we take a look, her best trade in both categories today was a short trade in GL. And you can see here where she got into it. She got out because of a timed exit, if you see here. The strategy was knocking on resistance. And you can see she got out because of a timed exit at 15 cents. Had you stayed in until the end of the day, you would have made 44 cents profit. Now, Holly 2.0 had a 10 trades for 18-cent profit, risk-on profit of 93 cents. And if we take a look there, PCAR, a long trade, was her best trade. She made 30 cents on that trade. Had you stuck in it to the end of the day, you would have made 56 cents. And that as well was the best in both categories. Now we'll go ahead on over to NEO, and a little more active there, 27 trades, profit of $1.29, and you can take a look at this histogram so that when I click on here and tell you that the risk-on profit was $1.29 also, I did in fact click it because you can see a much different histogram there. And let me go ahead and move these charts up a little bit here so that we can take a look at it. And we'll see here a short trade. EBIX was her best trade. It was trend play short, okay, and she got out because of a profit save of 75 cents. And had she stayed in it till the end of the day, you would have made 84 cents. Another one was a long trade, RRR, and you can see here where she got into it. She got out because of a timed exit, and had you stayed in it, it did pull back a little bit. You would have only made 66 cents. And it does look like, her best trade in the risk one, though, was DXC. And as often happens, she got into that. It was trend play short also, but she got out because of a reduced risk and took a 56-cent loss. And then the trade started working. So had you stayed till the end of the day, you would have made $1.04. And WLL, she got out also for even and the trade ended up making $1 had you stayed till the end of the day. So a couple nice trades there. Now today what I'd like to share with you is the Extreme Master Blaster. Now this was designed by Andy from Trade Ideas and shared in our room, and I just want to point out this goes back, this is today's history, so this is market open and this is market close. So let's go back to the beginning of the day and take a look at a couple of these stocks that triggered early. And if we take a look at XONE, it triggered because of a low float, and you can see here she got in. Well, she doesn't get into these, but she alerted us at $8.14, which was right about here. Okay, and take a look at where this went, all the way up to 962. So that would have been a great one had you seen that got in there, even if you held it till here and then got in and went up. So that was a great trade idea. And let's just go up here. The next one alerted at 9:30 also was Crocs, CROX. Take a look at this. This was at let's see here, 23.76. So way down here, she said, hey, I think something's happening. Look how high this went. It went as high as $28. So a lot of money on that trade. And let's scroll up a little bit more, see what else we can find here. This WMGI, I think, might be a good one. Once again, triggered it right at the market open at 9:30 and $29.42, which is right here. Well, actually, she has the line drawn for us right here. And you can see went up over $30. Now, this one may have been a little bit tougher to take your profit on. And there's one more I want to show you if I can find it up here. This LTRPA, she triggered that at 9:31 at 18.27. So that was right about here. Okay. And look, went straight up from there. Now, that may have been a hard one to get into because, if we looked at a 1 minute chart, that might have gone straight up, and you might not have been able to get to it on the way up. But we have all these different scanners that you can use to alert you to different things. This is just one of many, many. Not to mention the fact that you can go in here, and this has several strategies in there. But if we picked one, we could configure it, and we have all these different windows that we can add in and put what we're looking for. We can add alerts to it. We can search for different things. We have all kind of things that we can add to it. So it is really, really a fantastic program to use to help you find the types of trades that you are good at. So I hope you join us, and if you are with us, I hope that you continue to learn what you have your hands on, because it is pretty amazing. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.